Hello on this rather grey autumn day. Autumn is a great time of year to be planting your herbs and your winter veggies for those wonderful soups and stews you're going to make when it gets colder. Now it's a great time of year because the soil is still quite warm from summer and the winter really freezing temperatures haven't set in yet. Our veggie garden is really quite small, so I've decided that this time of year that I turn it into a herb garden and then added a couple of veggies as well. So what we currently have are some rosemary at either ends of the garden. I've got some thyme, which I'm actually going to turn into a border. I've got my chive border here. I'm going to have a parsley border along there. My oregano border is already established there. And then we'll add some carrots, some spinach, and some coriander as well. I've chosen that group of herbs because they're the ones that we use mostly in cooking, and they all grow really well together, attracting the beneficial insects and repelling the predators. The most important thing to remember when you're planting your herbs is that they need really good sunlight, good drainage and water. So make sure that your soil is well prepared with lots of compost and mulch. I've used the pea straw mulch that I throw on absolutely everything because that's great because it has extra nutrient value as well. Make sure the plants are well spaced apart as per the labels on the little thingos. Watering well with some sea salt afterwards. That's about it, and I'm going to go and plant them now before we get rained in. Please excuse my bedraggled appearance, I've been rained on. However, I have managed to get all of the little herbs into the garden. They don't look like much because they're so tiny and they're wet, so we'll come back in a couple of weeks when hopefully they're flourishing and we'll take a look then. Thank you for watching, hope you've got something out of this video and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.